Olá, welcome to the Portuguese Lab podcast. Today we are looking at the difference between tudo and todo. I'll explain the difference with a few examples, and after that you'll listen to a dialogue where you can see both words in action. The translation of the examples is available on the video. If you're a member of the Portuguese Lab Academy, be sure to practice with the available exercises in this lesson. So let's get started with todo. Todo means every, all, the whole. The word todo is variable and it changes its form according to the gender and the number of the noun it refers to. So this means you can have todo, toda, todos, todas. And here are a few examples. Ele comeu o bolo todo. He ate the whole cake. Ele bebeu a água toda. He drank all the water. Eles viram os filmes todos. They watched all the movies. Eles compraram as revistas todas. They bought all the magazines. Now let's look at the word tudo. Tudo means everything. Tudo is invariable. This means that the word doesn't change its form. It doesn't refer to a specific noun, it refers to a verb, to an action. Here are a few examples. Eu estudei tudo para o exame. I studied everything for the exam. Percebi tudo o que disseste. I understood everything that you said. The opposite of tudo is nada, nothing. Here are a few examples. Eu não estudei nada para o exame. I didn't study anything for the exam. Não percebi nada do que disseste. I didn't understand anything that you said. The following dialogue, including tudo and todo, will help you understand the difference. Esta é a minha casa nova.
Uau! Tem uma vista impressionante.
Sim, podes ver tudo daqui.
Realmente. Vês o vale todo e a cidade toda. E as montanhas?
Não se vêem todas daqui, mas podes ver um bocadinho se te inclinares assim.
Sim, isto é tudo muito bonito. Mas, e que barulho é este?
É o barulho do aeroporto. Os aviões passam todos em frente à minha janela.
A toda a hora.
Infelizmente, sim. O agente imobiliário trouxe-me cá exatamente quando não há voos. E foi assim que gastei o meu dinheiro todo nesta casa.
Não te preocupes. Tudo se vai resolver. Ouvi dizer que vem aí um vírus e todos os aeroportos vão fechar durante uns tempos.
Do you need some structure and guidance in your learning process? Head on over to the Portuguese Lab Academy and learn with the step-by-step online courses, from grammar to vocabulary, verb conjugations, pronunciation, and dialogues. The Academy offers you the flexibility and support you need to learn European Portuguese. Become a member at PortugueseLabAcademy.com.